Nearly 4,000 buyers are caught in a fix after Amrapali Group has failed to deliver on the Adarsh Awas Yojana. As per the scheme launched in December 2015, retired government officials were promised low-cost housing in NCR. 1 year later, there is little sign of progress. Shweta Kothari and Ashmika Singh give us the ground report.
A.K. Singh is a 48-year-old railway official from Bihar. He invested his lifelong savings in Amrapali's Adarsh Awas Yojana in February 2016. Till date, he has not received any communication from the group on his flat. So he travelled 1,000 kilometers to Amrapali's office here in Delhi to seek an answer.
नहीं, साइट पर इसी तरह कोई काम शुरू नहीं है। जो देख कर गए थे वही उसी तरह से अभी पड़ा हुआ है, अभी कोई काम शुरू नहीं हुआ है। बीच में बहुत बार टेलीफोनिक चेजिंग की है IC के साथ और अम्रपाली के साथ, कोई फ्रूटफुल रिजल्ट कुछ नहीं देता है। हमेशा यही बोलता है कि 1 महीना के बाद काम शुरू होने वाला है, लेकिन आज तक कुछ नहीं शुरू हुआ है।
But Singh is not alone. There are about 4,000 such buyers who fear that they may have lost their savings. Amrapali, in a tie-up with property brokerage firm Investor Clinic, launched the Adarsh Awas Yojana in December of 2015 with an aim to create 10,000 affordable homes in Noida Extension. The group promised to deliver 2,000 crore rupee project within 36 months. 14 months down, not even the excavation work has started for some of the phases.
I booked this flat in year 2016 January. I gave the booking amount, and because the Investor Clinic was a broker who introduced this to me, so he was supposed to give that builder by agreement to me, which was never given.
So I booked my flat in 2016 Feb. Still nothing has done. Even they have not started. They have not done the puja also.
हम कहाँ जाए मैडम, हमारा समझ नहीं आ रहा कहाँ जाए, किससे बात करें। हम कोई बात ही करने को राजी नहीं। आमरपाली उसमें कोई बात नहीं करता। इन्वेस्टर क्लिनिक कहता है दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट में आ जाइए और पैसे जो 4 लाख रुपए और दे दीजिए, दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट में आपको हम शिफ्ट कर देते हैं। आपको आमरपाली कहता है दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट में हम शिफ्ट कर ही नहीं सकते। हम दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट में कैसे पैसे दे देंगे दूसरे प्रोजेक्टर को।
Denying any role in the entire process, Investor Clinic is shifting the blame to the developer and says that they should not be considered as a partner but merely a promoter of the scheme. The company says as a brokerage firm, they're doing everything to make it right for the customer and even providing them with an exit option.
अगर मैं 1 साल पहले लेके चलता हूँ तो हर चीज़ बिल्कुल ठीक थी। फ्रॉम आज बड़े से बड़ा बैंक उसे लाइसेंस था और उसको लोन दे रहा था। आज गवर्नमेंट के सारे सैंक्शंस थे। अगर वो चीज़ बाद में हुई उसमें मेरी You can call it a human error, but where is the error?
Amrapali strongly denies any wrongdoing. The group says the work for many of its projects has kick-started and it is in constant touch with buyers to apprise them of the current situation.
Definitely we took longer span to get it completed because so many people showed their interest because of being a low-cost budget house. And in fact so many towers are under construction and we have got sufficient number of units in those towers. Secondly, there were some issues of policy planning. So we ourselves called so many buyers, calling them, phoning them or mailing them.
Amrapali's Adarsh Awas Yojana is yet to take off in few of the phases, despite 14 months that the project was booked. Buyers claim that their calls remain unanswered and the only way left for them is legal recourse. In Noida, with Arif and Shweta Kothari, Ashmika Singh, NDTV.